Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer faster. So in this video I'll be solving blackjack problem. So it says chef is playing a variant of blackjack where three numbers are drawn and each number lies between 1 and 10 with both 1 and 10 inclusive. So chef wins the game when the sum of these three numbers is exactly 21. So given the first two numbers A and B, they have been drawn by chef. What should be third number that should be drawn by the chef in order to win the game? Okay, so yeah, note that it is possible that chef cannot win the game no matter what is the third number. In such cases, report -1 is the answer. So yeah, it's easy only. I'll tell you on the board, don't worry. So let's take the input first. So that telling first line of input will contain an integer t, number of test cases. So let's take t. So this will take care of all the test cases, and for every test case we'll call the function solve, whose return type is void and it has no parameter. So first and only line of each test case contains two integers a and b. So we have two integers a and b. Let's take those values in a and b, and for each ticket, output the third number that should be drawn by the chef in order to win the game. Output -1 if it is not possible for the chef to win the game. Okay, so yeah, it is only they have given three test cases, and in first test case, A is 1, B is 10. So in first test case, A is 1 and B is 10. What they are saying is that chef has to draw three numbers A, B, and C, and okay, so and if you take sum of these three numbers, it should be 21. If it is 21, then chef wins the game, or else he loses the game. And one more condition is that a comma b comma c, these numbers has to lie between 1 and 10, and both are inclusive. That's why I'm putting it as equal to. So, and in the question they have given a and b. So from this equation what we can find is that you will have to find basically c value. So from this equation, C can be written as 21 minus A minus B, right? Because these two came this side. So now 21 is there, A is 1, B is 10. So it is basically 11. 11 minus 21 is 10. So C, if you try to see, this lies in the range 1 to 10. So it is equal to 10. So it lies in this range. So it is possible that chef will win the game. So in this case, we'll have to return this 10. So which is there here. Let's try to take this one 1 5. So A is 1 and B is 5. Now you will have to find the C. C equation is that 21 minus A minus B. 21 minus A is 1 minus 5. So 6, this is 6. This is 15. 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 minus 5 is 15. So C value, if you see, it doesn't lie in this range. I mean, C value is greater than 10. So like it does not lie in this range. C value is 15. So in this case, it is not possible for chef to win the game. So you'll have to, since it is not possible, so you'll have to not display 15. You'll have to display -1 as asking the question. So they've asked here, if output is not possible, so you'll have to return -1. If like chef will not able to win, then you'll have to return -1. Let's take last case 4 9. A is 4 and B is 9. So C you'll have to find, which is 21 minus A minus B, which can be written as 21 minus 4 minus 9. So this is 17 minus 9, if you do, that is 8. So yeah, C here now lies in the range greater than equals to 1, less than equals to 10. So this is correct, right? This is correct. C equals to 8. So when it is possible, you will have to output this value 8. So basically whenever C value is in this range 1 to 8, you will have to display that, or else you will have to display -1. So yeah, it is easy only. Now we'll have to take C, which is basically 21 minus A minus B, and we'll have to check if C is greater than equals to 1 and c is less than equals to 10. So in that case we'll be displaying c, whatever c value we have, else we'll have to display -1. Let's try to run the code. So we are getting 10 minus 1 8, which is correct. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted. So it was easy only, basically math. Basically we'll have to find a plus b plus c, and which should be equal to 21. But c value they have not given, you will have to find that value. So c value again, it lies in the range 1 to 10 as they've asked. So yeah, basically we had to return c. When c value does not lie in range 1 to 10, so you'll have to return -1. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.